Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up webhook inside Nifty PM. So webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Nifty PM is an amazing project management software that let you work on your large-scale projects with multiple team members. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up webhook inside Nifty PM and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I need to go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Nifty PM as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be task created. So from this drop down, I can select any trigger event and I can set up the webhook accordingly. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can set up a webhook inside Nifty PM and get the data whenever a new task will be created. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as task created because it will trigger whenever a new task will be created in Nifty PM. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Nifty PM account with Pably Connect. So I'm going to take you to my Nifty PM account. So this here is my Nifty PM account and now in order to establish a connection, I will go to my profile and over here I will go to profile settings and here in profile settings, I will go to app center on my left hand side and now I will go to integrate with API and over here I will go to this app for webhook and I'm going to click on this configure button. So over here under webhooks, I'm going to add a webhook. So in the endpoint URL, I need to mention the webhook URL. So from Pably Connect, I'm just going to copy it and over here in this field, I'm going to paste it. So over here under task, I'm going to select task created because this is the same trigger event which I've selected in my Pably Connect account as well. So once that is done, once I've mentioned the webhook URL over here, I'm going to create this webhook. So over here, you can see that a webhook has been created successfully. That means we have successfully set up a connection between Nifty PM and Pably Connect. So here in Pably Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now in order to do a test submission, I'm going to create a task in my Nifty PM account. So here in Nifty PM, I'm going to add a new task. So here I'm going to give the task name as create a social media calendar for me. So this is the task name and the task description will be create it at priority. So over here I've selected my project, the status is to do. So over here I'm going to select the date that will be of 18th May and the due date will be of 31st May. So I'm going to select the tags as high priority and I'm going to assign this task to PAP team. So once I've mentioned all of these details, now I'm going to create this task. And over here, you can see that a task has been created successfully. So that means the details of this task, which I've just created over here in Nifty PM would have been captured in Pably Connect. So over here in Pably Connect, we have got the response. So over here, you can see the event type that is task created and scrolling down over here, you can see the data message as well that is successfully created. So over here in Pably Connect, we have got the message that the task has been successfully created in Nifty PM. But as of now in this response, we have not received the task details. So now in order to get those details, I will go to this action window and over here, I'm going to search for Nifty PM, but this time as my action application. And here the action event will be to get object by ID. So it will help me to retrieve the selected object, that is, it will help me to retrieve the details of the task which I have just created. So now in order to establish a connection, I'm going to click on connect. So in order to add a new connection, you just have to click on connect with Nifty PM. So I've already logged into my Nifty PM account in one of the tabs. And now over here, I'm going to click on allow because this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So over here, you can see that Nifty PM and Pably Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the object type. So here the object type will be of task. Once that is done, now moving to the object ID. So from the response received from Nifty PM, we have got the object ID. So this here is the object ID. So in this action step of ours, I'm going to map the object ID. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the object ID from Nifty PM, so that is why over here in this field, I have mapped it. So now once I've mapped it, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So over here you can see the task ID, you can see the created at time. Over here you can see the name of the task, that was create a social media calendar for May. Scrolling down over here you can see the description as well, that was create it at priority. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect we have successfully got the task details which we have created in Nifty PM. So that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside Nifty PM. That means now whenever a new task will be created inside Nifty PM, then automatically the task details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this setup was a successful one. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.